Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a secret recipe that will transform your garden into a thriving oasis. We're going to show you how to create a powerful mixture that enhances soil health and promotes robust plant growth. This special blend improves your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stay tuned to learn how to easily make this incredible mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. Let's make it! First, we are going to collect weeds, leaves, and plants that are dead or whose season is over and cut them into small pieces. Next, we will put them in a blender and add some water to blend and make a green juice for our plants. After blending almost 2 to 3 liters of this green juice, we will add 10 more liters of non-chlorinated water into our bucket. After that, we will add 2 kilograms of fully decomposed compost. You can also use manure. Now we will mix these ingredients well and cover the bucket with a lid loosely to let air circulate. We will let the container sit for 5 to 7 days. After 7 days, our mixture is full of microbes and nutrients from the compost, leaves, and weeds. Now, we will dilute the mixture by 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This organic liquid fertilizer provides numerous benefits. It improves soil structure, making it easier for plants to access nutrients and water. The beneficial microbes introduced into the soil help break down organic matter, releasing nutrients slowly over time, which enhances plant growth. This fertilizer is gentle on plants and reduces the risk of over-fertilizing, which can harm roots and plant health. Using organic liquid fertilizer can increase the biodiversity of your soil, creating a healthier ecosystem in your garden. The slow-release nature of organic nutrients means they are available to plants over an extended period, reducing the need for frequent fertilization. Additionally, this method of making fertilizer is cost-effective and environmentally friendly, as it makes use of materials that would otherwise be discarded. This homemade fertilizer can significantly improve plant vitality, leading to better yields in vegetable gardens and more vibrant flowers in ornamental gardens. By using what's available in your garden, you create a closed-loop system that enhances the sustainability of your gardening practices. The nutrient-rich liquid promotes strong root development, healthier foliage, and more resilient plants that can better withstand pests and diseases. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tutorials.